The FreeLite Plus is brilliant if you want to go a bit further. The lithium battery gives you 30 kilometres, and that's a proper day out. Lithium batteries perform great, they don't require any maintenance, and they're quicker to recharge. Of course, with the battery removed, you can charge it wherever you want. Really handy. This model handles a rider up to 120 kilos, so let me take you through it in more detail. Now let's talk performance. What this scooter can actually do out in the real world. With up to 30 kilometres of range on a single charge, that's proper freedom to get out and about. It can handle hills up to 12 degrees, and that's very steep. And this dial sets your top speed to 8 kilometres an hour. Safe, comfortable, no rush. Flat, free tyres, never need to pump them up, never get a puncture. The electromagnetic brakes automatically control your downhill speed. Let's talk about setup, as well as comfort, because honestly, that's what makes all the difference when you're out and about. There's hardly any setup. Just attach the seat, it only takes a few minutes, and you're good to go. Supported padding on the seat. The padded armrests adjust inward and outward to get that perfect fit. And the seat has multiple settings to best suit your height. The seat spins right around to help you get out. And the handlebars adjust to get completely comfortable. Let's talk about safety, control and simplicity. It's got a bright headlight. The battery meter shows how much juice you've got left, as well as a horn. And to get going, just turn the key, pull the lever and you're away. All right, let's talk about the practical stuff, all those little things that make everyday use super easy. It's got a front basket and a pouch at the back for a book or whatever. The front bumper keeps it looking good if you bump into anything. There's even a USB port to keep your phone charged on the go. And it's got a free wheel lever so that it can be manually pushed to be stored in a garage, for example. Here's how the battery pack can detach. Fold down the handlebars to fit in most car boots. As I mentioned previously, this one's got a lithium battery, and here's what that means. No battery maintenance. You can top up the charge level whenever you like, won't hurt the battery at all. It's a lighter battery which helps acceleration and range and carrying the battery to where you want to charge it. You also get smooth, steady power delivery all the way through each charge. And if treated well, lithium batteries last a really long time. Equipmed mobility solutions aren't just about getting you from A to B, we're about helping you get your independence back. If this looks like the right model for you, you can order it today and have it shipped to the location of your choice within just a few days.